It's an application to download all types of movie around the world using just this application. Let me show you how to do that using this application here. Stay tuned. So I don't have any home screen to give you guys, but you pretty much can use the application here to download shows and movies using this application here. I want you guys to check it out, but I cannot show you guys. It won't let me record or anything like that, but I can just give you a quick rundown on pretty much how the application looks from here. This is pretty much how the application will look once you open it. As you can see here, pretty much all types of movies which you can download. Once you, let's say, solo leveling here, if you want to pretty much tap on that option, you can tap on solo leveling, and once you tap on the movie that you want to download, it will pretty much give you a link whether you want to download it using the app or you want to go into the browser and download it, or you can copy the link that they have given you and you can download it straight from that link. So whichever one you choose, and here you can also search for the movie that you want, and here you have option the filtering feature, which pretty much you can search for the best movie or based on the year, anything guys. And you have the explore option, so don't mind the date that it says, like say for example Squid Games 2021, but some of these shows are pretty much the latest but just different dates, so don't watch that guys. And once you have selected the movie, this is pretty much how it will look, but you will have the download option and so forth. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this application. Very good application that I want you guys to check out, but I can't really show that much. But yeah, that's pretty much how you use the application. So if you still have any problems, I can help you in the comment section if you have any questions and so forth. But with all that said guys, you should subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial.